Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video. This is me, Namrata. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm here with my favorite topic, that is eyebrows. And yeah, it's not about the glam makeup tutorial, but if you want, you can watch the tutorial on my Instagram. I share a lot of different looks over there which I don't share here on YouTube. So if you're not following me on Instagram yet, you are missing on so many things, trust me. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the brow hacks which I have been following since last few months, and that worked very well for me. So I thought I should share it with you all, and I believe that would work for you as well. And I think if you have very thin eyebrows like I do, or if you like to have more filling while you do your eyebrows, I think the tips and the hacks would be very helpful for you especially. So now, without wasting any further time, let's get into it.
So let's start with a loose powder which we often tend to skip, but it basically helps to mattify the skin underneath your eyebrows and absorbs all the moisture from your eyebrows, so that results in long lasting brows that make sure the brow tint stays on place for longer time. And the second hack is using any dark contour or brownish eyeshadows as eyebrow tint. You don't necessarily have to have any eyebrow products. If you want, just feel free to use any brown eyeshadows you have. That sounds fun, right? And also, see, it looks perfect. At the end, you won't see any big difference. Rather, for beginners, I'd suggest any powder based eyebrow products over the waxy ones because it's very easy to work with. And now I'm using any little lighter shade to fill the inner section of my brows. That way it will look more real. And at the end, make sure you blend everything with a spoolie brush. And now I'm repeating the same on the other brow. This is why I just fast forwarded this part, but if you want, you can check more detailed eyebrow tutorial on this channel, which I'll be linking down below in the description box and also at the end of this video. And see, so far I used only brown or dark brown eyeshadows and it looks perfect. And the third hack is using concealer around your eyebrows, but there is a twist. Applying the concealer all the way from start to the end when it comes to the lower part of your eyebrows. That way it will look more clean. Even if you have extra hair, it will cover it up. But the twist is here on the upper section of the brow, just doing the concealer thing from the arch to the outer corner, not doing it all the way. So this is how it will end up looking very natural. It won't look that made up or drawn. And at the end, make sure you blend the concealer using a fluffy concealer brush. If you're planning to get any eyebrow setting gel, then save that money, girl, because you can use any makeup setting spray to set your eyebrows and it will be very long lasting. Your eyebrow hairs will be all lifted throughout the day. So now you decide what you want.
So this is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, although I looked horrible throughout the video because I had no makeup on. It was my bare face, whatever. So this is it, and the brow you are seeing here, I did this almost like 6 hours back and it's still on place. The brow hairs are still lifted because of the makeup setting spray I used. But if you don't have makeup setting spray, feel free to use any hair setting spray, any kind of setting spray would work, but make sure you don't get that in your eyes. And yeah, you don't have to have any high-end or expensive eyebrow product to get it done. You can use eyeshadows, dark brown or ashy black shadows, that would work equally good. So this is it. If you liked watching the video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.